Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to play Bon Jovi's guitar solo, I'll Be There For You. The first thing he does a slide, then he bends on the 9th fret of the G string, and then has his pinky on the 10th fret at the same time. Then he bend again without the pinky, release it, to the 7th fret, then the 9th fret on the D, 7th fret on the G, 9-7 on the D. All together. Do that pattern again. First do a scratch. The last part he plays 9-7 on the G string instead of the D string. Then he plays a hammer on from the 7th to the 9th fret on the A, and then 7th fret on the D string twice. Then he does another scratch, then the 7th on the G, do that hammer on again, and then 7th to the 9, then the 7-7 on the D, do it one more time, play the 9 on the D, then 7-9-7 on the G. All together. If you're enjoying this content, I'll leave another Bon Jovi guitar solo content you can watch next. Then a whole step bend on the 9th fret again, and then 7th fret on the B and E string. A whole step bend on the B string on the 10th fret. Then bend that 10th fret up again and then release it. Play the 7th fret. Whole step bend on the 9th fret of the G. And that 7th fret on the G. 9-7 on the D. All together, slow. Then he does that cool octave slides. 7-9 back to the 7th. To the 5th fret. Then hit the 5th fret. Do that 7-9-7 again, and go up to the 10th fret. Then pick 10 to the 9, 9 to the 7. Sounds like this. After you get back to the 9th fret, go to the 2nd fret. All together sounds like this. Up to speed. So then he plays the 7th fret on the B, whole step bend on the 10th fret of the B, and the 7th fret on the E, 10-7 on the B. Then he bends on the 9th fret whole step, release it to the 7, 9 on the D, 9 on the G, back to 9 on the D, and 7 on the G. So it sounds like this. Those two would put together. Up to speed. Then bend up again, release it. Pull off on the 9 to the 7, to the 9th fret on the A, do that again. So it's a whole step on the G string, 7, 10 on the B, play the 9 and 7 on the G, bend up, release it, the 7, and 9 on the D and 9 on the G.